Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore. You get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, life, and some puppies in there. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks. In with me right now is just Dexter the Beagle, but we have Loki the Westie, we have Willie the Jack Russell, and we have Harvey the Kitty. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is a cold, snowy one out there. Let's see, 24 degrees, getting up to 28. I think it's going to get a little bit warmer as the week goes along, but it's pretty chilly today. And for my outfit today, I am casual. It's casual Sunday. I have on hidden denim that I got in a Wantable. I have on a Letluv t-shirt. This one is the Willie Nelson t-shirt I got in a Trendsend. I have on a little shirt jacket from Good American, also from a Trendsend. And then I just put on my comfy shoes. You can see these are my micro mini Uggs here, which I love. So easy to slip on. I didn't put my jewelry on today. I just decided to get up and get moving. And that's my outfit. It's a busy week. I am traveling this week, so got to get myself organized today, start to think about packing and all that fun stuff, get back to the real world. Hope your week starts off awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day. It is 44 degrees, so it warmed up, but it's kind of a gray day. The sun isn't really coming out, but the snow is starting to melt, so that's nice. And my Stitch Fix posted today. I struggled with what to keep with this one, to be honest. In the end, I kept two things. I kept the cut from the cloth Meg high rise wide leg. I really liked those. I really liked the Daze denim, and I thought about keeping it, but I didn't. I did enjoy, someone said just cut it off and have a raw hem. I probably should have done that, but I didn't keep them. And then I kept that Thread for Thought Sicily sweater knit cardigan. So those were the two things that I kept. Everything else went back. All right, let's see here. For today's outfit, I have on Daze denim from a Wantable. I have on a 9 Britain top. This one came from a Stitch Fix. I have on a Marrakech jacket. This one came from a Trendsend. This one's an oldie but a goodie. My shoes are I always say this wrong, Linea Paola. Love those. And then I just have on the necklace my husband got me for jewelry, and that's it. Okay, I will see you tomorrow bright and early. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Just before 5 a.m. I wanted to be in the car by now, but you know how that goes. And it is 35 degrees, but getting up to 53 today, so it won't be bad. For my outfit today, I have on Paige pants from a Front Door Fashion. I have on a Michael Stars long sleeve top. I have on a Steve Madden jacket, and my shoes are the Linea Paolas again. They just went. For jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Today's going to be a bit cloudy. It's 38 right now. It's going to get up to 50 though, so that should be better. Hopefully the rain stays away. For my outfits, I have on pants from Evereve and a top from Evereve. Both came from a Trendsend. My jacket is Cabi from this year's fall collection, so you may remember it. My shoes, these are Treasure and Bond. I love these. They came in a trunk club once upon a time. I miss trunk club. And for my jewelry, I have on a Goriana necklace, the necklace my husband got me, and I have on a bracelet stack, and I think I'm ready for my day. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. It is, let's see here, 35 degrees out, getting up to 50. My Wantable holiday style edit posted yesterday. I did not keep anything from that edit. I don't know. My last few Wantables have not been amazing. And I think I've had different stylists as well. And I even have sent, what's really weird is I'm gonna have to check the email address I'm using, but I've sent them several notes now and no one has replied, which they always reply. So it's really odd. So I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, for my outfit today, I have on Paige denim. I have on a loft long sleeve tee, and I have on a Love Token jacket that I got at a boutique. My shoes are Rag and Bone that I got once upon a time in a trunk club. And my jewelry is the same as yesterday. So I have on a Goriana necklace, necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. We're off to slay the day. Hope your week is going well, and I will catch you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is an incredibly windy day today, like strong winds. It's spitting rain, not pouring, but it's been raining. It's warmer, 61 degrees. I think it starts to cool down, back down after today. So welcome to Pennsylvania, where you get, temperatures can fluctuate 20, 30 degrees. It's crazy. For my Friday funny, this one's a quick little snippet. Willie has figured out how to maneuver any of the internal little gates we put up, so he just jumps right over it. Funny, sometimes you really try to keep them wrangled into a spot and they always figure out how to get out. Dexter's really good at getting out of them too. He figures out how to move them, so I guess we're gonna not need them for much longer. My outfit today, I have on Pistola pants from a Stitch Fix. I have on an airy little cardigan, of course, my Eveves underneath. For shoes, I put on these Dr. Scholls. They are from a Stitch Fix. For my jewelry, just a necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. And that's it. I'm ready for the weekend. I'm feeling like I'm glad we made it. I'm glad we made it. Today, I did post just a quick little Evereve short video. That's kind of a preview. The long version is coming up next week, so don't worry. And I'll see you tomorrow for one last outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Let's see, it is 45 degrees outside, getting up to 52. It's supposed to rain later though, so that may make it a little bit cooler. And Dexter's being bad. He has now decided he's going to start just pulling things. He's tall, so when he jumps on top of stuff, he can get on top of the counters, and he just decides he's going to take stuff and then eat them. It's fabulous. Loki, what are you doing? Loki, come on. So the trio of terror still holds. We're still in the terror years. Hopefully we can get through that soon. Dexter's moving the camera. All right, let's see. Today, my JB Stylebox posted. Again, Kira always does an amazing job. I did keep 3 from that. I sized up in the Free People zip up, so she sent me the small in that. I kept that. I kept the Pistola denim, and I ended up keeping the green pants, which was the pair I was thinking I wasn't going to keep. But when I thought about a third pair, I thought those might be fun as we head into spring, but you could wear them anytime, kind of just brighten up an outfit. So those were the 3. Aren't you a good boy? Yes. Okay, and for my outfit today, I have on Daze pants from a JB Stylebox. I have on an RD Style sweater from a JB Stylebox. I have on, of course, one of my Loft long sleeve tops for underneath. For shoes, I'm going to wear these. These are by Dolce Vita. And then I just have on a necklace that my friend got me, the necklace my husband got me, and my bracelet stack. And I think we're ready to go. I think. I don't know. I didn't want to get up this morning, so it was tough to get moving. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. I will list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so you'll know which boxes, and all the links are down below as well. So appreciate you hanging out with me today. Cannot wait to hear what your favorite outfit was, so please do let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next week. Bye-bye.